As you can tell, this is one of them real nice ones. Hello and welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. In this episode, it's going to be full of things that shouldn't have happened. When I say shouldn't have happened, it's not something I did. It's something that the previous owner did. And I don't know how Frankie is still here. I'll be honest with you. I don't know how this thing didn't burn down from a short because, oh my word, it's ridiculous. That's all I got to say. It's ridiculous. This project seriously took about 2 months, and I started it 6 months ago, and it's been a while since I've gone back and looked at this footage. So I'm going to do my best to piece it together. I don't know how many episodes it's going to turn into, but I have a lot of footage. I'm going to start out here by showing you the stereo that came in Frankie and all of its glory, and it's a real nice one, guys. It's, you know, Cousin Eddie would have told Clark it was real nice. You'll see. As you can tell, this is one of them real nice ones. I'm not going to put it on music because I don't want to get flagged. Just to show you absolutely nothing coming out of either one of those. But I got, I was thinking it was the fronts that I only had, but it's the left I only have. Can't wait to see what's behind all this. I'm going to try to get this thing out of here. Start with that. I'm not too familiar with whatever this install kit is. Oh, it's got a remote. That's funny. Alright. Now what? I'm gonna have to see if I got something to get this thing out of here. I found these in the 8.9. They might actually be for a Pioneer. I don't know how in the world this guy got this in here. Oh geez, I see wires everywhere. It's almost like it got mounted with the center console out. Swell. Actually, it's not even in a sleeve. It's straight up mounted right into there. I'm pretty sure that this got mounted with the center console out, which is neat. Found us a CD while we're in here. No idea what Spice 1 is. I don't know if you can see that red crimp. But we got bare metal hanging out of there. That's not good. This is a wiring nightmare. I can already tell. I wish I knew what was going on here. Alright, so I guess we're removing the center console here. That's all I can do. One issue that I am aware of, I don't know what it is yet, but this moves around a lot. Yeah, you can see there's a gap right there that shouldn't be there. That should be even. This thing's sloped down in comparison to the 8.9, so or broke. That's neat. These are 8mm. So hopefully I got some of these, or we'll be making a trip. Are you serious? Those are both broke. I guess I'm getting 3. So I got it up. I just pulled really hard up, cleared all this. When I first got this thing, the park brake cable at the bottom was just dangling, and it was rubbing on the drive line. So I actually had to replace the drive line because of that. I'll go ahead and remove this. And this just pops straight up. This looks like a wood screw, but it is actually a sheet metal screw. Okay, this should come out now, other than gotta remove some harness stuff. You gotta remove all this stuff. This is that's a light that goes in the cigarette ashtray compartment, whatever that is. That's the ground and the positive for the cigarette lighter. And this is for the power mirrors. There's one of the bolts busted. I think all we have left is these two screws, then a couple up here. I think I can take this black bracket right out of here, work on it somewhere else instead of drilling it out in the car. These two screws in here. Oh crap, I forgot about those buttons. Oy. I'm gonna have to drop the glove box. Glove box dropped. Now, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take all this out. There's a screw or two under here. All right, I just dropped this from under the steering wheel. You have a screw there and a screw there, and then that tab, and where it used to be a tab, hold the rest of it in. So mismatched screws again. But I actually need to buy a screw kit for this whole car, because oh, that's not even tight. Nor does it look like it's the right screw. Yeah, I just pulled it straight out. I think this should come out now. You gotta kind of wiggle these out. Looks like maybe I could have pulled those off, but we gotta pull these out of here, pull those two apart, and then we can pull the whole console out. That's all that's left holding it in, is those two. Ladies and gents, that's out. I might have to put her in a different gear real quick. Back into the second. Oh, now the whole stereo's coming out. Grand. What the hell kind of an install is this? Hopefully I can reach back here and unplug the stereo. Trying to use you guys to help me out here. Let's see where the lock is. Okay, got that. Now it seems like we got 4 sets of RCA jacks sitting back here. And the antenna, and then we're out. Okay, got it. Pissed in pants. That was fun. Let's get this thing out of here and work on it outside. So that's held in with a screw right there. And then this side held in with a screw right there. This is why we can't get it out. There's no way on earth I could have got or even felt that thing. So we'll remove both of those screws. We'll go ahead and mount this the right way when we put it back together. Got it out of this. This black thing is factory and it can stay in there. This looks to me like some crap got cut up. I don't know if this was factory too. That there is something that got, you can see it got cut. I need to be careful. It looks like I could get cut up. This needs to go back in here, because that does belong there. And then I have a kit, I think, outside to install a stereo and a Fox. So I'll need to go out and look around and see what I got. I'm pretty sure I have one somewhere. Oh, right front and center. That is Pretty sure for a Foxy. Yes, sir. 8793 with a pocket. And I'm hoping I got a can that will fit that. Is that for this? That's for one of these? That's for a fraud premium sound. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll be able to make do with what we got. Okay, got it back in there. All 4 screws are in there. I don't know what this came from or whatever, but we're gonna go ahead and delete all that out of here. Okay, so this kit will mount it just like that. I don't know why, but it came with stuff you put the old 2-knob garbage in there. This can does look like it's gonna work with this stereo. I think I'm gonna actually take this whole piece out and just simple green it and give it the works with the hose. Because I mean, this thing is absolutely filthy, so it can use a good scrubbing. I went over it with a simple green, and I've thought the whole time I've owned this that it looked like maybe some super glue spilled all down the side of this, and I'm pretty sure I'm right. There's some there too. If I was really concerned about this thing being a show car or something like that, I'd probably actually replace this. Well, that's gonna bring this episode to a conclusion, but I'm gonna show you just a little sneak preview of what's coming up in the next episode. I've opened up Pandora's box. Let's explore. I was just so blown away and impressed by this that I completely didn't see that this was broke. It was a mess, and it took a while to sort everything out and get everything where it needed to be and to get it back to where it was safe again. I can't believe that we weren't popping fuses and arcing things. It's a complete mystery. I'm going through all this, and it's really turning into where it's going to have to be in 3, maybe 4 parts for it to come out right. But thank you guys for watching. As the new episodes are put on YouTube, I will come back and throw a link down here in the info box. So I will see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Click subscribe down below and click the like too while you're out there, the thumbs up, like, whatever you want to call that. And if you hit that bell up there at the top, you'll be able to see the next episodes when they hit the YouTubes. Thanks again. I've said that about 8 times now, but I really and truly mean it. Thanks again. Peace.